Hey, what's up guys? Matt here from Make Money Matt, helping you guys make money online. Today, I want to show you guys how YouTube went for me over the past 3 months here. Now, the blueprint I'm using has worked very well for me. I do actually have a course, and I just want to say real quick that this has changed my life, and it can change yours too. Because what's so cool about this method that I'm using here is that it doesn't cost any money at all to get started. You don't have to spend money on Facebook ads. You don't have to spend money on anything else. This method is completely free to get started. So here I'm in my bank account right here, as you can see, Wells Fargo. And as you can see, this really is my bank account. This isn't a screenshot, guys. But as you can see right here, on the 21st of last month in September, I got $10,505 put into my account, as you can see right there. In August, I made $12,600, and in July, I made another $12,000. And this comes out to $35,000 in the past 3 months. So you might be thinking that's pretty good, and it is, but this month, in October so far, I've made more than any other month so far, so I'm really excited for that to be put into my account. As you can see, Google puts it into my account usually on the 21st of each month, so that's pretty cool. And this method that I'm using, it's pretty easy. Like, all that I do is schedule like 5 to 10 videos to be released throughout the day. You know, upload the videos, put ads on them, and I actually have a couple hacks that I use to basically double my income off of like what most people do on YouTube. So I kind of want to walk you guys through the methods that I'm using to make this kind of money on YouTube. So as you can see, here are the analytics in the past 90 days for one of my channels here. Now this channel is actually my biggest channel. And as you can see, this channel consistently brings in like $200 per day on average. As you can see, it can be as high as like $400, just bringing in about $200 to $300 per day from this particular channel. But I do actually have another channel, as you can see right here. Now this is a channel that I just started this year. And as you can see, I had a couple videos blow up just after uploading. Because what you need to do, guys, is upload just as many videos as possible. Because all you need are a couple to go viral, and all your other ones will blow up. And I actually use a method of uploading other people's videos, so I don't even have to make videos, guys. It's pretty cool. But as you can see right here, this is a new channel that I just made this year. And in the past 90 days, this channel has brought in over $10,000. So that's pretty cool. Now this channel is pretty consistently getting like $200 to $300 per day as well. So that's pretty cool, guys, because when you add these channels up, I'm bringing in like $600 per day between these two channels. So that's pretty cool. I'm starting new channels all the time too, so I can keep expanding, getting different streams of income coming in. And it really doesn't take that much work to, you know, schedule and upload these videos, guys. Because if you're doing it on a couple different channels, you take like 30 minutes out of your day in the beginning to find some videos, schedule them, and then you basically just let the money roll in. So that's another channel. So I kind of want to walk you through the method that I'm using right here and show you some other YouTubers that are doing the exact same thing. Now, this can apply to any niche, but I just want to show you some niches that are working out very well for some people. And within my course, I show you guys the exact most profitable niches that you can choose. But here is an example channel. As you can see, this one is called Tech HD. Now, a really good niche are like tech videos, like these ones. So you might be wondering, like, how do they get these videos? How do they use them? Because they don't actually have to make any of their own videos, which is awesome. And that's what's so awesome about this method of making money. You don't have to make your own videos. So you can get a lot more done, and you can make different channels, expanding into different niches. So here is one of the channels right here. And as you can see, they basically just upload like tech videos, and they title them like 5 amazing gadgets you should buy for this winter. And if we go to the watch page of one of these videos, you'll see that first off, it does have an advertisement on it, which is a really big deal. Because if it has an advertisement on it, you know these people are making money, and you know the video is monetized. You might be wondering, like, how much do these channels make? And I'll get to that in a second. But for this channel right here, as you can see, they're just using like tech videos from like popular tech products. And you might be wondering, like, how do they find these products and stuff? And if you wanted to do this yourself, guys, you can simply go on these tech YouTube channels and you can find the exact products that they're using. So you can like find these, you could rearrange them into like a new video or something. You could upload them, and you might be wondering, how are they getting away with this, like in terms of copyright and everything? And all that they're doing, guys, is they're uploading these people's products, and these people want their products promoted. Like, why would a company put a copyright strike on a video if their product is getting promoted? And as you can see down here in the description, sure enough, they leave the links to the products right there. So if someone wanted to buy any of those products, they can click that, and then they can buy it. But these people are making their money off of AdSense, and they're making it off the ads that they're putting in on their videos. And that's how I'm making money on YouTube too. Like, obviously, you could make money through affiliate links and everything, but when you make good, shocking videos with really good thumbnails that make people want to click the videos, you can get a lot of views and make a lot of money on YouTube. So if we go to another tab right here, as you can see, here's another channel that's doing just this exactly. So this is another tech channel, as you can see, and you might be wondering, like, how much do these channels make? If you just go to their Social Blade stats right here, now Social Blade is just like a website that's used in, and it shows people's analytics for their YouTube channels and everything. But if we go to their Social Blade stats here, they're making between $6,000 and $100,000 per month on this one single channel, guys. Now, this is absolutely insane. So they're making, I can tell you from experience, the number is right about in the middle of these two numbers. So they're making easily $50,000 per month on this single channel. So they could have different channels too, all bringing in money, and you connect them all to a single AdSense account. So then AdSense just pays you every month on the dot, which is super cool. So this is another channel that's making a ton of money. And what you can do, guys, is just go to their videos and then sort by, and then just click most popular, and you can see their most popular videos and just do the same exact videos that they're doing. Like, you can just download these same exact videos. Now, what I would recommend doing is putting a quick voiceover over the videos, but what I noticed is that these people, they don't even voice over the videos. They just take the other people's videos and they re-upload them as they are. Obviously, I'd recommend doing a voiceover because then you can say it's fair use and everything. It just gives you a little bit more protection, but you can make a lot of money just re-uploading other people's videos, especially these product videos. Now, there's so many niches that you guys can do this stuff in. Tech videos are definitely not the only niche. Like, here's another one, though, real quick, in the tech field as well. This one is called Freeze Lists, and as you can see, they're doing the exact same thing. They're not even posting that often. So what I always advise, like, all my students to do, I advise them to upload, like, 5 to 10 videos per day, because when you upload that amount of videos, you get ahead of the competition very fast. Because some of these bigger channels, they get lazy and they're not uploading as much as they could be, and they're not making as much money as they could be in turn. So as you can see, this Freeze List channel, they're only uploading like maybe 2 videos a week, which is still good. I mean, at the level they're at, they don't have to upload as often, but they could honestly make a lot more money if they were to upload more often. And as you can see, this channel's making between $1,000 and $27,000 per month. Not bad, so they're easily making $10,000 a month off of their videos. Now, if we go to another tab here, I have another kind of niche open, and this niche is like kind of the shocking niche. And what I mean by that is, as you can see, all the videos have red circles in them, and they're just kind of shocking videos that make you want to click. Kind of conspiracy type videos, and as you can see, the titles are "Watch this video before it's deleted," "OMG, another secret gateway." So this channel is really taking advantage of clickbait, and this is really good for them, and it's really paying off for them. Because if we go to their Social Blade stats right here, they're making between $2,000 and $40,000 per month. So easily $20,000 per month on the low end. So they're making a lot of money off of these videos. And these videos are just a couple shocking videos that they find. And if you guys are wondering, like, where can I find these videos and everything, you can just go to these channels. You can go on their video, and you can see the video that they're using. And then you can, like, download the same videos and put your own spin on it, like maybe do a voiceover on it or something. But you don't necessarily have to make your own videos either. Like I teach you guys in the course, I teach you guys about the special license that you can use to re-upload people's videos as they are, so you don't even have to, like, do voiceovers for your videos, you don't have to talk in your videos, anything like that. I just want to give you guys some ideas how to make money with YouTube, and over the past 3 months, it's really been paying off for me. And a lot of you guys might be wondering, like, why would you teach other people about this if it was in your niche? And the explanation is simple. There's millions of niches on YouTube that you can do. So it's not like someone's going to come in the exact niche. And I'm diversifying into different niches as well. Like, as you can see, I have 2 channels already, and each one's making about $300 per day now since my second channel blew up. And that second channel I just made this year too, guys. So it really is possible to make a lot of money with YouTube. And if you're interested in learning, like, everything you need to know about this, there are some key things that I left out of this video, and you can check out those in the course again. But that basically wraps up this video. I just wanted to open your guys' eyes and show you that it's possible to make a lot of money on YouTube without even making your own videos. I want to thank you guys for listening, and I'll see you guys next time.